Xbox lets you download.
Yeah, because I got that new like 250 gig hard drive.
Yeah.
I read that.
All right, listen, we gotta go to ATM because there's no way. Like, we gotta get girls to come with us today. Okay. I want to get you laid today, bro.
Let's do it, bro. But where are we gonna go?
Because
we're still like in Hialeah.
There's a lot of people in South Beach right now.
South Beach, yeah, right now.
Just nice girls, you know. There should be an ATM up here.
Yes.
That's true, but what if you wash the outfit every other day before you go out?
Yeah, but you're gonna wear it down.
Oh yeah, you're perfect.
That's right. You're at risk of accident there, lady. Did you see her?
Yeah, I saw her.
You don't say anything, and she's like, "What do you expect me to do? I can't move." All right, hey, can you open this door for me, bro?
Yeah, sure.
My door doesn't fucking work again.
Well, you know, you're gonna get money?
Yeah, I'm gonna go get some cash.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go park so I don't block these people in. Alright, I'll be over there, bro.
That's cool, man.
Can you just try and get it? I'll be back.
You can go ahead and try. I don't know. I think my card's working.
You need some money?
Yeah.
Can I give you, here. Shit. How much do you need, Ben? Need $100 for real? Fuck, you're expensive. I don't even know you. There's 100 and... There's 100 and... Take that 100. Good enough?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright.
That's awesome.
What's your name?
Star.
What is it?
Star.
Star? What are you, a stripper?
No.
Are you a hooker?
No, I'm not.
Oh, what kind of name is Star? That's not your real... What's your real name?
Lindsay.
Okay. Well, why'd you call yourself Star?
That's what everybody calls me. I go by Star.
Oh, it's your nickname?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I'm Preston.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. I'm actually hanging out. I hope you don't mind me recording you.
No, it's fine.
We're filming a little documentary here in the Grove.
Okay.
Are you from the Grove?
No, not really. No, from Miami.
Okay. Well, I was wondering, I mean, you want to help us out since we helped you out? I mean, just come with us 10 minutes. We're going to drive around this little area. And
Okay.
are you cool with that?
Yeah. Driving around here?
Yeah.
Okay.
How old are you?
22.
Okay. This is Star. She wants to hang out with us for a little while.
Hello.
She said she'd be willing to hang out with us. I gave her like $100, so
Nice.
she's cool to hang out and answer some. You mind answering some questions?
Sure, what's up?
Is that cool?
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, we have to do it in the van. I know that sounds a little creepy, but
Alright.
that's just the way we roll.
At least we got the door to open.
Yeah, for
Yeah, I
sure.
don't know if it's gonna open again though.
Yeah, so...
Let's go. Fuck it.
Oh yeah, big boy, gotta take both of those.
Hey, close the door real quick.
Close? Which
Here,
one?
go ahead. Go in. Go in. Bro, this was the